Hey guys, today I tried the helicopter flight with Air Service Berlin over the city center of Berlin. I started here at the Berlin Airport Schönefeld at helicopter terminal D, and then after the security check I got picked up by a Lincoln stretch limo, pretty cool. That brings you to the helicopter. In the helicopter you get headsets so you can listen to the tower and the pilot talking, feeling right in the middle of things. New to me, starting vertically in the air, pretty cool I have to say. And then we went with over 200 kilometers per hour directly into the city center of Berlin, whereas you actually more feel like standing in the air. Pretty weird, but cool. You pass most of the known sites, the radio tower, Brandenburger Tor, the Reichstag, Checkpoint Charlie, Kurfürstendamm and the East Side Gallery. You also see the Flughafen Tempelhof, the old airfield, pretty cool to see from above, and of course the Tiergarten, which proved to me again Berlin is the greenest capital of Europe. Afterwards you also receive a personal certificate signed by the pilot, which you can show off to your loved ones and friends. The whole experience lasted about 60 minutes, took me about 40 minutes checking in and then 20 minutes flight, including starting and shutting down the turbines. There's a seat next to the pilot, which you can book additionally on the website. And on the website, airserviceberlin.de, you also find special offers and other routes that are a bit less expensive than the big one that I took today. Book, come here to Berlin Schönefeld and take off. Try it out and otherwise have a good time. Bye bye.